Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'm in Ari and what we're going to do, we're going to have a burger. Just down here we have one of the best burgers in Bangkok, apparently. What we have to do is go and find out. So I'm on Soi Patom Yontin 9, which is in Ari. And that's just across the road from the police station over there. What we're going to do, we're going to walk down this road here. It's not far. I think it's like 2 minutes. And I'm wearing all black today out of respect for the children that lost their lives on the bus fire the other day. So sad that was. It's very hot actually. And there it is there. That wasn't hard to find. There's not many people in there either, so I get served straight away, which is great. I'll try to get a little bit of a thumbnail. This place, you can smell it coming out of the extractor fan there. It stinks of burgers. It's my kind of place. Oh, absolutely boiling out there. Anyway, let's go check this menu out. Can I get the Uncle Sam burger?
For beef?
Beef, please, yes.
Anything else?
Can I get a diet Coke Zero?
And Coke Zero.
Okay, so I'm going to go for the set too. So how much is that altogether? How much?
375 baht.
375. So in here they have their own bakery and they're making their own bread. Aircon's feeling good. Anyway, I'm glad I found this place. I found it on Google Maps. So what I'll do, I'll leave a link down in the description there. Not my burgers. Not my burgers, but look at them. Wow. There we have it. Look at that. Some burger that. Alright, let's get stuck into this. Look at the size of that. Wow, that's good. Let's stick some mustard on there. A bit too much. Wow, look at that, look. Really messy. That is one of the best burgers I've had for a long time. Got the onions in there, pickles. Double cheese. This is fantastic. I think I overdone it with the mustard. It's still nice though. Very greasy. Ooh. Very nice. Alright, onto the fries. Not bad. Nice and hot. Imported from the USA. That's what it's like. Yeah, this is a good find, this one. If you live in the area, check it out. I don't recommend many places, but I do recommend this. But yeah. There we have it all gone. Wow. There's the bill again. Tell you what, that was absolutely fantastic, and I'll definitely be back here. If you're in the area, like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description. Come and check it out. Right, let's go for a little bit of a walk around. So if you walk down there, you'll come to Ari. You have to turn right, and you'll get straight to the train. And I've got no idea what's down this way. Anyway, yeah. Should we go and have a look? Okay, so we have a coffee shop there. Sells beer and stuff. You can come down here for a beer if you wanted to. Coffee, lunch and dinner. It was at Brownie, I would say. It said it was a breakfast, dinner, tea. I don't know if there's much more to show you down there. That was another drinking place there. It's a really, really nice area. If you're around here, I'd love to have a nice condo down there, but I think it's a bit out of my price range. Maybe one day, when I get to 1 million followers, a bit like Mark Wiens, I'll be coming to live down here. I think he's on 10 million followers already. But, yeah, I think that's about the end of this video, guys. If you go down that way, you'll come to a fish and chip shop. It's very nice. I did a video there a while ago. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. And I'm off for a walk now anyway. Burn off this burger. Laylas.